Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey, everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey, and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. All righty, tighties. All right. As you see by the sign behind me, and if I can get my finger to point correctly, it is time for my June favorites. So I have a few things in front of me on the table. Not a whole lot this month because a lot of things that I was using in May moved to June. So if you guys want to know what's all on the table, keep watching. Okay, all right. We have a array of things on the table. So let's see. Where do I want to start? Where do I want to start? Let's start with makeup. Let's start with makeup. I have a few makeup items. The first thing, I have to reach around the microphone. The first thing I am going to talk about is my foundation that I am currently wearing. I've been wearing for like a good month, little over a month, which is the MAC Studio Waterweight foundation. This is a SPF 30 foundation, and that is this bottle right here. I am in the color NC42. I did do a video on that that's going to be linked above here. Yes, I am light skinned. So I am an NC42. So yes. I actually did a review on this a few years back. So you guys can get a full view of how I've really felt about it. And yes, I started back using it probably, like I said, about June. It was early June, late May, early June. I went back to wearing it, and I still love it. It's a very lightweight coverage, and as you all can see, it's lasted all day. I've had this on since 4:30, no, 4 o'clock this morning, and it is now 7:50 in the evening. So you know, this is clock. This has been on for a while. Okay. And what I like to use to set the foundation is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Tan. I've been using this powder for a while. And this is the powder that I always use with the Waterweight foundation to help set that foundation. The good thing about what I like about the foundation is it gives me a bit of a softer finish instead of it just being more of a natural finish. I do love a natural finish. That's why this foundation is great. But the oils throughout the day, my oils kind of seep out and by midday. So I love this powder because it keeps it at bay to a point. I still have to blot, but not as much. And the last makeup piece we're going to talk about is my bronzer. I am not wearing it currently, unfortunately. I am using the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in Natural One. I have been using this bronzer. Let's see, here it is right here. And yes, I've hit pan, so you know I love it. I've been using this bronzer now for a while. It's been what about it? I know I've been using it about a year. I think I bought it like late. No, I did not. Yes, I did. I bought it like late last year. And I really do like the bronzer. It's great in the winter time because my skin, I'm at my winter color or my natural color, and it's not very dark. It doesn't make me look muddy. I do like wearing it. Last week's video, that is the bronzer I was wearing in last week's video. So if you really want to see how it looks on my face, just check that video out. That'll actually be linked at the end of this video. You'll see that there. But like I said, I really like that bronzer, and Bobbi Brown really makes some good products. I really do like that, and I probably will be repurchasing it. And the next thing we're going to talk about are the sunglasses on my face. These are my Chloe round sunglasses that I picked up. I've had these for a few months, but I actually went on and just rocked them for like a whole month this back in June. And I love how they look. The arm detail is so cool. It actually protrudes out so you can kind of see the arm. As you're looking straight ahead, you can still see the arm. I had jury duty, as you guys know. If you're on my Instagram, I took a picture of the courthouse. I had jury duty at the beginning of June, And I wore these, and some of the people I was in the jury pool with, they were like, does it, is it like having blinders? And I'm like, no, I don't really pay attention to this unless I'm looking to the side or looking to the sides, and then I see them. But other than that, I look straight ahead. So they're there, but not really there. I picked these up on Haute Look. Unfortunately, they are not on Haute Look at the moment, but I was able to find them, I think, on Poshmark. I can't remember. The link is going to be below so you guys can see them. Maybe you could be able to pick them up. You guys also saw these right after I purchased them on the sunglass collection video with me and the family. So you guys can see, I forgot who put these on. I can't remember. I don't know. It might have been me. I don't remember. But you guys will see that video. It's linked above and below so y'all can see how much I really like those. And the next thing we're going to talk about, we went from beauty to fashion to hair. And for hair, we're going to talk about the Mousse Death from the Dew. You guys saw this video last week. And thank you all for all the views. Keep watching. Share. You know, let other people know how I felt about that product. I have used a mousse before, as I told you guys years ago in another video, and it didn't turn out very well, but this turned out really good. This, my sister Pam and my niece Chris, they actually wanted me to try this product out and do a video on it, and so it was a viewer request from them. And I loved it. I could not do anything but rave about the product. So that's why I'm so glad. They were like, try it. And I said, okay. I picked it up and I tried it and I love it. I can't wait to use it again. I think the next time I'm going to try it, I'm going to do it on a twist out just to see how it works on a twist out and how my twist out will turn out. I'm sure it's going to turn out well. I like this product so much. I tried it on Reginald's hair. He loved it so much. Right, the day the video came out last Sunday, he went and bought himself a bottle. So there's 2 bottles in the house. So he has his own bottle, so he can't take mine. And I have my own bottle. So everybody has their own mousse. Okay, we did beauty. We did some sunglasses. Actually, I should have did the sunglasses with this, but that's okay. We're breaking this up. We're just doing a random thing. We did a hair product. Now we're going to the tote bag. And this tote bag that I'm loving this month is my Kate Spade tote that I picked up earlier this month. I carried it around pretty much almost a full month of June. I only had one small problem. The bottom collapses when you put stuff in it. So that means I have to go buy a bag shaper. And you know where I'm going to go. I'm going to go to my favorite place, Amazon. We'll talk about that later. I did a whole video on Amazon stuff. It's be linked above so you guys can see all the fun things that I get from Amazon. But this bag is so cool. It makes me think of a beach bag. It gives me beach bag vibes. And you can it's a great little throw around, throw your stuff in and keep moving tote. It has 3 sides to it. Has a nice zip middle compartment. So like if you want to put like your wallet and stuff in and you don't want anybody just to reach in, you'll just zip it up and put it in there and no one will find it. So like I said, the only thing I'm going to do is make sure I get a bag shaper. But other than that, I just love this bag. I'm going to keep carrying it, of course. But this is great for the summer. So of course, I'm carrying it next summer too. Now, if there's a bag, there's a sneaker. So we always end the favorites video with a sneaker. And this month's sneaker is, of course, an Air Force One. These are the Air Force One 07LX in the colors platinum and gold. This is this month's sneaker right here. I actually wore them to work today too. I was just like, oh my God, I just love this sneaker. I'm an Air Force One girl. I'm just going to completely admit to it. I think I own more Air Forces than I do Air Max from Nike. But I love Air Forces. These are the most comfortable sneaker. It's funny, my sister Lisa was like, I thought they were heavy because the way the sole looks. I said, no, they're Air Forces. They are light. You can run, you can jump, you can do whatever in them. These are the lightest sneaker. Like I said, I own a lot of Air Forces over in my collection. Over there, it's a lot of shoes. But I picked these up from, actually, I picked these up from Nordstrom.com. I posted a picture of these on my Instagram and my personal Facebook, and it blew up. Everyone's asked me where I find them, things like that. I actually got these from Nordstrom. These were actually on the Nike site, but I think they are all sold out now. But I will see if I can find a picture, probably on StockX. You might be able to get them. They do have the Air Max 90 in the same colorway with the gold gradient into platinum. Those I do believe are still on Nordstrom. I have to find them. If I find them, I will post a picture over here for you so you guys can see those. But I love the Air Forces. To me, Air Forces are probably the best shoe Nike ever made. They did not go wrong when they made those shoes. And I can't even tell you how many black boxes and gray boxes that I have of Air Forces. If you guys want me to do an Air Force One collection video, let me know. I might get that out. I might get that out for you. So you never know. But these, I love these shoes. I was wearing gray and black today, so it all ended up working out with these shoes. And that is it for this video. We are all done. I told you I didn't have a lot this month. I was using a lot of the same stuff from the previous month, so I didn't have a lot, but everything that I loved are things that I am going to continue to love. Like I said, the tote bag I'm going to always carry because I love that tote. Just get that bag shaper and I'm going to be all good. My sunglasses, of course, you know I love them because I love all my sunglasses. And my makeup is what it is. It's always on my face. And my shoes, well, we all know about my shoes. So that is it. If you guys have any questions on any of the products that I showed here, all the links are going to be below. And you can also talk to me below in the comments section, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But please don't forget, if you like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And it's always free. All my videos are out on Sundays, 10 o'clock Central Standard Time. So I'm going to get out of here. It is sleepy time in my house. Like I said, it's 8 o'clock now. So people got to get up early in the morning, and we got things to do. So I'm out of here. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.